My experience at the Water Rock Summit was awesome. I loved it. There were so many interesting tools that they gave the teachers. All of the activities I thought were such a neat way of incorporating knowledge into a fun way, and I was like, this is what my kids need at the high school level. And so I was very pleased with it. I mean, I went home and I called my mom and was like, this was awesome. So I had to tell somebody about it once I got done with it.
It was cool to get to kind of network with other teachers, and I just felt like it was a very positive atmosphere, and I really enjoyed the speakers a lot. I feel like that's why I really wanted to do this, because I thought that I could learn more to help the kids learn more. And I really loved all of the materials that we were able to have. I think that was a really huge thing. I think we really enjoyed getting out into nature and learning new things that we can take back to school and teach the kids. And I think this is everything that the summit had were activities or materials or lessons that the kids would really enjoy. I enjoyed them. I think the other teachers that were there enjoyed them a lot. And I feel like we walked away with a lot of great things to give to our kids too.
So the summit was really awesome. It was super hands-on, which I liked. It wasn't one of those like, oh, you sit there and listen to someone and get bored out of your mind. It was really hands-on, and you actually did the activities there, which helped when you were coming back to do them with your youth. It was nice to be able to bounce ideas off of each other, because I was sitting at a table that was like from the very southern part of the state and all the way to like the northwest corner, and we all agreed that we need more hands-on. The kids at this age that we do the program with, they're not wanting to just sit in the class, and they want to get up and learn about it in the hands-on, and I think it sticks better for the kids. I would absolutely recommend this summit for others. I've reached out to people in my region. You get to do the hands-on things just like the kids do, so it was really awesome. I highly, highly recommend.